हेलो फ्रेंड, मैं हूं आपका मनीष और मैं अपना यूट्यूब चैनल में आप लोग का स्वागत करता हूं। तो आई एम टॉकिंग रिगार्डिंग अबाउट COVID-19 and your eye care. So I have divided my this video in two parts, and group 1 and group 2, and yesterday I have covered the half of the topics, and today I'm going to uh, discuss another part. So without having briefly summarize regarding yesterday video, that COVID-19 and your eye care. So yesterday I have talked regarding new procedures for routine and urgent eye care, and acceptance to your eye exam and procedures, and ophthalmologists are always available for eye emergency. So what are the point that you have to know, and when to consult your ophthalmologist? So yesterday I have talked regarding that, and today I am going to discuss about how can the coronavirus affect your eye, and second one, how to protect your eye and health during COVID-19. So without any further delay, let's begin. So at first, I'm going to discuss about how the coronavirus affect your eye. Okay, as we know that coronavirus is a world-leading pandemic virus, and that are affecting the whole world, right? So as we know that the coronavirus can spread through the eye. So I am an optometrist, so I am going to discuss regarding about the eye, and also regarding what are the symptoms regarding of that, and how that symptoms is transferred to the eye. Okay, so here first thing, coronavirus can spread through the eye, just as it does not through the mouth or nose. So when someone who has coronavirus cough, sneezing, or talk, virus particles can spray from their mouth or nose into your face. You are likely to breathe these tiny droplets in through your mouth and nose. But the droplet can also enter your body through your eye. So we have to care for. So when the people used to speak, then the droplets can touch your body, and if that is spread and that come into your eye, then that can cause coronavirus. So you can also being infected by touching your eyes after touching something that has the virus onto. Okay, it might be possible for coronavirus to cause a pink eye infection, especially we can tell in medical language conjunctivitis. Okay, but this is a rare. If you have pink eye, don't panic. Simply call your ophthalmologist to let them know and follow their instruction for care. Keep in mind that whether pink eye is caused by a virus or bacteria, it can spread if someone touches that sticky or running discharge from the eye, or touches object contaminated by the discharges. Wash and sanitize your hand frequently, and do not share towel, cups, and utensils what you are using in daily life with others, because if you suffer from conjunctivitis, it can spread to your family. So special precautions should you have to maintain. Okay, as we know that if we talk about the symptoms of coronavirus, then you can see in the first picture that there will be loss of taste, loss of smell, vomiting, rashes, COVID fits, muscle sac, nausea, and there will be headache as well. So by the spreading of the droplet, it can cause conjunctivitis. So a second picture, this shows the pink eye. So this might be because of viral conjunctivitis, or that may be bacterial conjunctivitis. If there will be bacterial conjunctivitis, then there will be the discharges in your eye. Okay, so there will be mucopurulent discharges, yellowish type of discharges that will come near to your eye. So that indicates that there is These kinds of pink eye is bacterial conjunctivitis. So it is a very common types of pink eye which cause the bacterial infection to the eye through the various source of contaminated. So in that case, you have to make a precaution. So if we talk about the what are the eye symptoms regarding COVID-19, so there will be, this is one study, there will be 10 to 36% of burning sensation, 12 to 32% of watering eye, and 4 to 30% of ocular discharge. So and that is maybe because of conjunctivitis. Itchiness, redness, that is 11 to 24%, and photophobia in the sunlight as well as in room light as well. So there will be complaint of glare sometimes. That is about 11 to 20%. And so right, there will be ocular pain regarding that, that is 16%, and there will be eye pain that is 10 to 18%. So this can be prevented during this pandemic. So what are that things? So now in this slide, I'm going to say that how to protect your eye and health during COVID-19. And especially how will you protect your eye and health? Like as we know, that guiding your eye as well as your hand, nose and mouth can slow the spread of the coronavirus. That you have to timely wash your hand, sanitize your hand, wear the mask, okay, and don't go in gather place, avoid social distances and crowded area. So if you will consider this point, then you will be protected and your health as well as eye will be protected. Here are some way to you can keep your eyes safe and healthy during coronavirus outbreak. So it important to remember that although there is a lots of concern about coronavirus, common sense precautions can significantly reduce your risk of getting infected. So wash your hand, alerts, and also sanitize your hands. If you will wash your hand, please follow wash your hand until 20 seconds. Okay. Follow good contact lens. If you are wearing contact lens, then follow good contact lens hygiene. Always wash your hand before and after using the contact lens. Use the branded solution and the case your case sheet of the case of the contact lens should be properly cleaned daily, and change the saline water daily, and do not sleep with the contact lens, do not bath with the contact lens. Okay. And avoid touching or rubbing your nose, mouth, and especially your eye. So this is the three terms, that is rubbing, touching is especially prohibited. Don't do it anytime. Especially your eyes. Says ophthalmologist used to say that, and if you visit your ophthalmologist, eye doctors, or any your private doctors, they always tell you to avoid this point. Don't rub your eyes. And so there are the few points that I am going to discuss. That if you wear contact lens, consider switching to glass for a while, because there are many contraindications, many cause during the COVID-19 that contact lens might cause the infection in your eye. So there is no evidence that the wearing contact lens increase your risk of coronavirus infection. So there is no many much more articles that has been proven right now. So but the contact lens wearer touch their eyes more than the average person, and it is true. So consider wearing glasses more often, especially if you tend to touch your eyes a lot. You may contact are in. So substituting glasses for lens can decrease irritations and force you to pause before touching your eye. And if you are wearing continuously contact lens, and there are the few hygiene tips, and that I will be discussing in the further slide. So what are the hygiene that you can take during contact lens? Especially I can also understand those who are having the cornea ectatic disease, like those patients who are suffering from keratoconus or in corneal opacity or PMCD, TMD or high myopia. So that kinds of person cannot use the glasses much more time. So for that person, contact lens has been given for their daily work. So for that person, there are the few hygiene tips that I will be explaining in further slide. Second point, wearing glass may add a layer of protection. So if we'll define this, then connective lenses or sunglasses can shield your eye from infected respiratory droplets. But keep in mind that you don't provide 100% security. Especially we can talk then nothing has given 100% security. The virus can still reach your eyes from exposed sides, tops or bottom of your glasses. If you are caring for a sick patient or potentially exposed person, safety goggles may offer a strong defense. So wearing glasses may add a layer of protection. So it means that if you wear the glass, there will be less chance of infected your eye. So it's better to wear a glasses rather than not wearing. Also, 3 point, if you will talk other point, then stock up on your medicine prescription if you say, because main time visiting to hospitals and the medical store or chemist store is not much better for your health and for your eyes. So if you are using medicine those who have prescribed by the doctors, then you can store for a month or for a month, because expert advise patient to stock up on critical medications. So you will have enough to get by if you are quarantined or if supply become limited during an outbreak. But this may not be possible for everyone. But if your insurance allow you to get more than 1 month of essential eye medicine, such as glaucoma medicine, you can should do so. But some insurance will approve a 3 month supply of medicine in time of natural disaster. As you as your pharmacist or ophthalmologist for help if you have trouble getting approval from your insurance company, and as always request or refill as soon as you are due. Don't wait until the last minute of to contact your pharmacist. So as soon as possible, you can consult your pharmacist or ophthalmologist and can store your medicine as soon as possible. And first, last point, but the main point: avoid rubbing your eye. I always used to say avoid rubbing the eye, avoid rubbing the eye, because it tends to the eye infections in this pandemic. It can be the hard to break this natural habit, but doing so will lower your risk of infection. If you feel and argue to itch or rub your eye or even to adjust your glasses, use a tissue instead of your finger. If the patient is suffering from the dry, and it can lead to more rubbing, so consider adding moisturizing drop to your eye routine. Especially, I will take that. Please take lubricating eye drop to moisturize your eyes. So if you must touch your eye for a reason, even to administered eye medicine, wash your hand first with soap and water at least for 20 seconds, then wash them again after touching your eye. Okay. And fifth point I'm not mention here, but practice safe hygiene and social distancing, because this is main point during this pandemic. Social distancing and wearing mask is the main key to avoid the coronavirus. So according to WHO, what you will do at your home? So here is the main heading that protect yourself and other from COVID-19. This is the point from the WHO. So I recommended to follow the WHO guidelines and the WHO tips to avoid the coronavirus and to spread into your society and community. So if you will start now, then it can help us to reduce the coronavirus from our country. So at first you have to start. So first one, if COVID-19 is spreading in your community, what are the safety measures that you have to use? First one, stay safe by taking some simple precautions such as number one, physical distancing is the most important. Wearing mask is the another point. Keeping room well ventilated, okay, so that you can more amount of oxygen can be passed and you can get the sunlight exposure. And avoiding crowd, cleaning your hand, coughing into a bent elbow or tissue. It is the most point. If you sneeze or cough, please use your elbow or tissue paper. And if you use one time for sneezing, throw that tissue paper in the dustbin. So that keep the dustbin private, so no one can touch that dustbin and the tissue paper which you sneeze before. And check local advice where you live and work. If you there are many people that they used to work daily, so always take local advice and do your work. And last point, you always find out more about WHO recommendation for getting vaccinated on your public advice page on COVID-19 vaccine. So I will recommend that everyone should get vaccinated because it has no any side effect, no any infection. It will not cause any damage to your health. So my recommendation and many of the articles has also proven that vaccination will prevent you from getting COVID into your body. So maintain social distance, wear the masks, wash your hands, sanitize your hand, and get vaccinated. Thank you. This is for today, and on upcoming video I will be providing the new things. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channels and have like and comments if you like this video. Thank you.